Waffles, what are you doing? Waffles!
Oh, Waffles is in a rocket ship.
She sure is, Waffles. What are you doing way up there?
What are you doing, Waffles?
An assistant, all of her supplies for outer space is built inside of her Lego rocket.
We ought to find it.
That's right. All right, Waffles. It's time for you to get out of your rocket ship.
Come on. Good girl.
And then that was her space right there inside of her rocket, right?
That's where she sits.
So let's put her back in for a second so she can see. She really likes it in there, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Here you go, Waffles. She's in her rocket.
Oh, wrong way, Waffles.
Here you go. All right, let's take her back out.
Okay.
And you gotta take apart the rocket ship to see what kind of supplies she had. Okay?
Okay. All right, Waffles, I'll let you down.
Okay, so there it is. So the very top of the rocket ship, right? All right.
I have to go on the ladder?
You gotta go on the ladder. You gotta be very careful on the ladder. You're gonna hand me the parts. All right. Oh, there it is. Ready? Oh yeah, we probably should. All right. Oh yeah, that whole thing you probably can take down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You could bring it all down in one piece.
Oh.
Yeah. And then there is the roof, right? Roof panel. All right. Now there are surprises all the way down, right?
Right. So now what do I have to do? Take this part off?
Yeah, we gotta take this off. Ready? And go find some surprises. All right.
All right, I got the next layer off.
Good job. All right. Let's see what was in there for the supplies, okay?
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Set. Whoa!
Oh, look, it's like a little astronaut. And what else is in there, assistant?
Oh, we got a banana squishy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look, it's got sparkles inside it. I don't think they can see it on the yellow, though. So look, it's a banana. All right. And what's that?
Strawberry?
Oh, so they got glitter inside of them. Look.
Yeah. A keychain.
Wait, what happens if you push his little belly? He
Oh, it lights up. That's cool. And then we have this thing that, like, ready?
Oh,
Oh,
it pops free, right?
right.
Oh, so.
Pretty awesome. Now I gotta do the next layer.
Okay, let's take that next layer off.
Probably don't need the ladder anymore.
Yep, don't need the ladder. So I think we can take off the sides, right? These are called the stabilizers. Do you need stabilizers actually once you get into outer space?
No.
No, you only need stabilizers when there's air friction, right?
Right.
Like on Earth. So assistant, air friction is when the air passes across something, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you enter back from space, the spaceship has to have special panels on it because the air friction going across the spaceship makes it what? Hot, right?
Oh yeah, hot.
Super hot. That's right.
All right, the next layer is coming off. Whoa. Oh.
It's like a what is that?
Cookeez Makery.
Oh, there's a bakery in there, right?
Cool. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do that. So that was probably what Waffles was going to use for food, even though it's not real food.
All right, let's get started. The first thing we have to do is make our dough.
Okay, so you're going to put the oven away for a minute?
Yep, and we gotta put both of these packets into our bowl.
Well, our little astronaut friend Waffles wants to join you.
Here we go.
What do you think, Waffles? Okay.
A lot in here. Whoa. Okay, got it all.
Good, good. I put Waffles behind you.
Now the second one.
All right. Okay, so you're gonna put that all in. You opened it in the most unusual way in the world.
Anyways, Now we gotta fill this up with water.
Okay.
And dump it in.
All right.
Now we mix.
You gotta mix it for 2 minutes, right?
Right. I think it's ready.
Okay.
Now to start going in with the hands.
It says bring the dough together. Now, it says, are you allowed to eat this?
No.
Now this is just play. You might want to add a little bit more water. It doesn't look quite right.
I think it looks fine.
Oh, okay. So you're kneading your dough, right?
Right.
Who's watching? Hi, Waffles. Waffles. Did you have a good time in outer space and you're like, oh, why don't you look at the camera? All right.
Getting all of it.
Okay.
I think it's ready.
All right, so we can move this to the side.
Right.
And what do you do next?
Put it in our mold.
Okay. All right, now here's the oven.
Wait, we're missing a crucial step.
Oh, what's that?
Hold on. Gotta put that away. Gotta add the paw prints.
Oh, you gotta add the paw prints. Okay.
1, 2,
Uh-huh.
3, 4. See the paw prints?
Yep.
Okay, now that we have done that step, it's time to bring our oven back up.
Okay.
And now,
You open it up.
okay, don't we have to pop this out of the mold too?
Yep, you take it out of the mold.
Okay.
There you go. Ooh, look at that. It breaks right apart. Let's show the people at home. Put it in my hand real quick. See, look at it, people at home. What do you think? Pretty cool. All right, there you go.
Add it into the oven.
And then there's like a yellow tab you gotta pull down, right?
Right. Close the oven. And then turn this till it clicks. Like that.
All right. and
Now we
It
wait.
takes about 2 minutes, right?
Right.
Why don't you dance the whole time?
No thank you. Listen! It's making noises. Did you hear it?
I hear Waffles. She wants the Buzz Lightyear. You Buzz?
Ah! I think it's ready.
Okay, so open it up and let's see what we have. Ooh,
Whoa!
Is it nice and warm?
Yeah, super warm.
Oh, look at that.
It's the strawberry one, and look, there's the candle.
Ooh, it smells.
Just like strawberries. Pretty awesome.
Here, let's come over here and give it to Waffles and see if Waffles likes it. What do you think, Waffles? Do you like that? Do you like it? I don't think the people at home can see it because Waffles is in front of it. Waffles, what are you doing? Waffles,
She likes it.
Waffles, what are you doing? Waffles, what are you doing? Waffles! Waffles, that's the assistants! Waffles. What are you doing to it? Waffles! Waffles, that's not very nice!
She's going crazy!
Waffles, what are you doing? Waffles! Waffles, it's just a little... What are you doing? Waffles, you're trying to get it. You ripped it out of my hand! Waffles, do you like it? Waffles, what did it do to you? Why are you... What are you... Waffles, what are you doing?
She likes the way it smells.
Ready, Sissy? See if you can catch it.
Oh no, she got it.
Let her have it. See what she... Okay, you back to being friends with it, Waffles? Waffles, what are you doing? Waffles!
Working at
What? I don't understand what you're doing to it. Waffles? Bring it to me.
She said no.
Maybe it's something to do with her going into outer space. What do you think?
Maybe Waffles turned into a different dog.
It's dark side Waffles. Waffles.
Maybe we should take a break, Waffles.
Alright, let's see the little thing again.
She seems very out of breath.
Yeah, she's becoming asthmatic. You took it out of my hand. So here it is. It's really, it's like a little kitty cat. It smells like strawberries. And it makes fun sounds. Waffles likes it. Alright, so we'll give it back to the sister. So sister,
Or Waffles.
what did you think? Did you have fun in our video today?
Yeah, it's soaking wet now.
It's Waffles spit. We had a good time with the Waffles rocket ship. Oh, you know what? It was in her rocket ship, so she probably went all through space wanting it.
Yeah.
And we found some cool toys and different things inside of it. And then we made our Cookeez Makery kitty cat.
We made the
cake.
dough and then we got our treat.
And Waffles really likes playing with it. So what should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right.
Thanks for watching. Bye!
Waffles, you're really doing a number on it, Waffles. What did it do to you, Waffles? I can't even keep the camera on it. You're like... Waffles. Waffles.
She has crazy eyes.
Alright. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye!
Waffles, say bye.